Hey you guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we're gonna set up for the weekly journal spread, and I'm using this gorgeous best friends kit from Isisilla Jewels. We are actually planning for my Galentine's Day celebration with my oldest daughter, so that's why I have this adorable little this is gonna be like my dashboard for the week, and on the other page I'm gonna write down some reflections for the past week. We're just gonna set down this dashboard really quick because I thought it was so gorgeous, and it kind of reminds me of like me and my daughters, or me and my two kids that usually hang out, my two older ones. So first things first is we got to set down the date. So I always struggle with this part because most sticker kits are not sized for a B6 planner or a B6 Galagy specifically. So it takes a little bit of finessing. This kit was actually super easy because I don't know, it's like the sticker paper is really user friendly, I guess. So I was able to move it around and kind of finesse it to make sure that it fit within the boxes the way I wanted it to, which I love. I was super excited to receive this month's kit. If you guys don't know, I am on the Isisilla Jewels PR team, sorry. So if you ever go shopping on there and you want a little discount, go ahead and use my code STEPH10 to get you 10% off. That does not include merchandise like the candles and stuff, but all the stickers and all the kits, absolutely you can get your little discount, which I love because it usually ends up covering like at least the shipping cost, if not more. So I'm going in with these like best friend looking stickers. This is honestly, like, I know it's for friends, but this is honestly me and my oldest daughter. Like, since she's turned 18, like, we spend so much time together, and you know, making adult friendships is difficult for both of us. Like, she struggles, I struggle. I have attempted to make friends and reach out at work and stuff, but it's just so hard because, you know, most people in your immediate area don't share your hobbies. It's usually the friends you meet online that share your hobbies. So I really struggle with finding friends in the DFW area that want to do the kind of things that I do. Still working on it, but for now I am spending time with my oldest daughter. We have the best time. So this week I'm actually planning for our Galentine's Day celebration, which we're going to go out to dinner, and then we're going to go to the Candlelight Symphony in Dallas, which I am excited. I've been trying to go to that thing for like over a year now, and I keep missing it for whatever reason. So I got us tickets. We're officially going this week, and I cannot wait. We even have matching outfits to go to the event. So it's gonna be super fun. It's got all the Galentine's Day vibes. I'm just adding my little checklist. Wednesday is my self-care day, so I do my shower, my exfoliating, my mask, my treatments, all that good stuff on Wednesdays. And then Monday for me is always Coffee Monday, so I love this Lily sticker for Monday. And then I'm just going in and writing in the dates. You guys won't see it, but I ended up actually using old date dots that I had that kind of matched the color scheme. But this is what we got. Tell me this is not the cutest freaking spread you've ever seen as far as like a best friend spread. I love I love this entire thing. I really feel like Erica did her thing on this. So let me know if you like it. Comment down below. See you.